guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So like I promised, I wanted to share with you guys some different Walgreens scenarios that you can do the current week. That way you can get back that 25% off coupon for your next transaction with a purchase of $10 or more. So I have a couple tips for you guys to make sure that your transactions are successful. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to break it down into two different transactions. That way you can use register rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket cost for your spend 25 deal. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And that way when I post new videos, you guys will be notified. I also have a new giveaway going on my channel. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, head over to my CVS haul video from yesterday. Make sure you enter in that giveaway. I will be choosing the winner on Friday in my CVS online must-do deals video. So let's go ahead and dive right into this scenario. So the first transaction, what we want to do is all of the deals that will get us register rewards. That way we can use the register rewards in our second transaction to lower our out-of-pocket cost. So if you're new to my channel, what I always try to do is pay the least amount out of pocket. That way we're getting the most bang for our buck. So for the first transaction, what you would do is pick up 2 of the Crest toothpaste for $6. 2 of the Colgate Total, they're $3.99 each, and 2 of the Colgate Optic White, they are $4.99 each. So the 3 different deals, these photos are shown here on the right. For the Crest, when you buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. For the Colgate Total, when you buy 2, you get 4,000 points back. And for the Colgate Optic White, when you buy 2, you get a $6 register reward. So these are all the coupons you're going to need. The entire video is completely digital coupons. So that way you don't have to worry about having any inserts. I did not buy an insert or a paper for the current Sunday because when I did my CVS shopping, I went to the store before they even delivered the papers. So I wanted to make sure I could be in and out without as many people as possible being in the store. So that's why I wanted to make sure this version is going to be completely beginner friendly in all digital coupons. So just check your folder, make sure you have these clipped to your card. You're going to use a 5 off of 3 Colgate digital coupon. $1 off 1 Colgate Digital that became available on Sunday, and a 3 off of 2 digital coupon from last week. I sent it to my card, but I hadn't used it yet. So you would use that for the current week. Here is the final breakdown for the first transaction. So your total is $23.96 plus taxes. The total for the coupons is $9. You would pay $14.96 out of pocket plus taxes. Now, if you have $10 in points that you can use, definitely make sure that you use those points. Then you'll pay just $4.96 plus taxes out of pocket. You're going to get back a $6 register reward from one of the Colgate deals, a $2 register reward from the Crest deal, and 4,000 points from the other Colgate deal. So this is how I figure out my math. The total that you had to pay was $14.96. Now we use some points, but I count points and register rewards as cash because it pretty much is at the end of the day. It's just Walgreens cash versus actual paper cash. So you're going to get back $12 in rewards. So I take $14.96 minus the $12, and that's how I come up with the final cost of $2.96 plus taxes for 6 oral care items, which is awesome. Definitely stock up. You guys will be good to go for at least a couple months with all of those oral care items that you're going to purchase. So now for the second transaction, I have 2 different scenarios showcasing a bunch of different essential items, a lot of food deals, personal care deals, and some laundry deals as well. So here's a couple tips for you. It is a spend deal, so you do not want to pay with points on your second transaction. You can use register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're going to pay the remainder with cash, credit, or a debit card. Do not use a Walgreens gift card either. I did that in the past, and then I didn't get back my reward. So do not pay with a Walgreens gift card. Then after the transaction, you should get back printed a 25% off coupon for your next purchase of $10 or more. It is a limit of 1 per household. So keep that in mind. You can't do this spend deal, 5 times and rack up on 5 of those coupons. So here is the first scenario for your second transaction. So you're still going to do the first transaction so you can get back those register rewards. This is my scenario for the second transaction. So you're going to pick up one of the Purex laundry detergents. You can either pick up the liquid or the pods. They're both $1.99. One of the Palmolive 20 ounces for $1.99. 3 of the nice storage bags. They're on sale, buy one, get 2 free. So the total cost for 3 of them is going to be just $2.79. One of the Poise liners for $5.99. One of the Gain liquid. This is the really large bottle. It's 100 fluid ounces. They are on sale for $9.99. 2 of the Nice brand plates, they're paper plates. They are on sale, buy one, get one free. So the total cost for those will be $3.49. And then a thing of Cheez-Its for $1.99. These are the coupons you're going to want to use. A $1 Purex digital coupon, a 50-cent Palmolive digital coupon, a $3 Poise digital coupon. That one is the manufacturer coupon. Then we also have a $2 Poise IVC coupon, which is in the Walgreens Book of Savings. There is a digital version that you can clip and send to your card. Then you want to use a $1 digital for the Gain liquid. Here is the final breakdown and numbers for your second transaction. Total for all the products is $28.23. Now remember, for the spend deal, you have to be at $25 on the nose. You can't be $24.99. It has to be $25 or more after Walgreens coupons. So for the Poise, we had a $2 Walgreens IVC coupon. So you're going to subtract that out. Now my total is $26.23, which is above the $25 mark, so we're good to go. The total for the other digital coupons was $5.50. You're also going to use the $6 register reward and the $2 register reward from the first transaction. We don't need any filler items because those will attach to any of the products that did not have coupons. So for example, the Cheez-Its didn't have a coupon. One can attach to that. The Nice plates, we got 2 of those, no coupons there either. So the other register reward can attach to one of those products. Then you're going to wind up paying just $12.73 out of pocket plus taxes for all 10 items, or $1.27 each, which is definitely a great, great deal. And then of course you're going to get back that 25% off coupon for your next purchase of $10 or more. And here is the second scenario for transaction number 2. So you're still going to do transaction number 1. That way you can get the register rewards to help lower your out-of-pocket cost for this transaction. I wanted to share with you guys another scenario because there are so many good food deals and deals on essentials going on at Walgreens the current week. So if you do have to pop out, get some groceries for yourself or anyone you're shopping for, Walgreens could definitely be a great place to stop, and this would be another great scenario for you. So what you would pick up is one of the fudge brownies. The yellow cake and the icing are all on sale for just 99 cents each. So if you want to mix and match, you can. 2 goldfish for $4. 1 Lay's chips for $1.88. 2 Jell-O or pudding, they're on sale at 2 for $1. 2 of the Campbell's Well Yes soups, also on sale at 2 for $3. 1 of the Dial body wash soaps for $3.49. 3 Pantene shampoos or conditioners. They are on sale, buy 2, get 1 free. So they're priced at $4.79 each. So the third one would be completely free and it would not count towards the cost of your transaction. And then you would pick up again one of the Purex. The crystals are also included for just $1.99. So you can pick up the liquid, the pods, or the Purex crystals, whichever one you like. They are all $1.99 each. These are the coupons that you would use. All of them, again, are digital. The 3 off of 3 Pantene digital, $1 off of 1 Purex digital, and $1 off of 1 for the Dial soaps. Here is the final breakdown for the scenario. Total for the products is $25.93. We didn't have any Walgreens IVC coupons, so we don't have to worry about that. The rest of the digital coupons is $5. Then you're going to use that $6 register reward and the $2 register reward from the first transaction. And you'll pay just $13.04 plus taxes out of pocket for all 13 items, or just $1 per item, which is definitely a great price point for all of the items that you would be picking up. So if you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know what scenario you plan on doing, or if you came up with an even better scenario. That way we can all share and make sure we're taking advantage of the best deals possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to head over, click this video here for my CVS haul, where you can enter my newest giveaway. I will be giving away a $10 gift card to a place of your choosing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.